It's happened. All of your hard work and persistence has paid off, and you've officially put a transaction into closing. Congratulations. Now what? It's time to hustle. Now you have to get the inspection scheduled and the earnest money delivered. The inspections are less stressful because you have more time to complete them. The earnest money, it has to be on time. If you turn it in late, the seller can terminate your contract for cause. Earnest money being delivered late is also the number one thing that state audits find wrong with files and fine firms for. Do you think you can trust your client to take care of it? No way. They're high on excitement of just having their offer accepted. Welcome to the GainClients Fast Earnest Money Deposit Tool. It's as simple as click, then a few keystrokes, and a couple of photos, and boom, your earnest money is on its way to escrow to be deposited, and you can go have that well-deserved spa day or even a nap.